Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off or on group conversation notifications in Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Facebook Messenger app and scroll through your conversations until you find the specific group chat where you want to manage your notifications. This could be any group conversation where you're receiving too many alerts, or alternatively, a group where you want to re-enable notifications that you previously muted. Once you've located the group chat, press and hold on it. This will bring up a quick actions menu with several options for managing that conversation. From this menu, you'll see an option labeled Mute. Go ahead and click on Mute to begin the process of turning off notifications for this group. After clicking Mute, a new menu will appear giving you 3 different notification control options. You can choose to mute message notifications only, which will silence alerts for new messages while still allowing call notifications to come through. Alternatively, you can select Mute Call Notifications to stop alerts for incoming calls while still receiving message notifications. If you want complete silence from this group, select Mute Message and Call Notifications, which will disable all types of alerts from this conversation. Once you've made your selection, click OK to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to choose how long you want these notifications to remain muted. Messenger gives you several time frame options to choose from. You can select 15 minutes for a very brief muting period, perhaps if you're in a meeting or need a short break from notifications. The 1-hour option works well for slightly longer periods of focus. If you need an extended break, you can choose 8 hours, which is perfect for a full workday, or 24 hours if you want a full day without interruptions. Finally, there's an Until I Change It option, which will keep notifications muted indefinitely until you manually turn them back on. Select the time frame that best fits your needs and click OK to confirm your choice. Now, if you ever want to turn notifications back on before your selected time period ends, the process is just as simple. Simply locate the same group chat in your Messenger conversations, press and hold on it again, and this time you'll see an option that says Unmute. Click on Unmute and all notifications for that group conversation will be immediately restored to their normal settings. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to control group conversation notifications in Facebook Messenger, giving you complete control over when and how you receive alerts from your group chats. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.